Hey everybody, it's Jenn in Kanata, and it is January 3rd, so I'm going to show you what we're eating through low spend month. So, yesterday we did the grilled meats and rice and made rice bowls. Basically, I've made them for both lunch and supper because we had still lots of meat that I grilled up. And, well, for supper I grilled up more, and then there was some shrimp and stuff like that. So I finished off the seafood that had been defrosted. So we had that last night. Again, last night we had on rice noodles instead of rice, and then at lunch we had on rice. So today for lunch I made a pho-inspired soup. A bit spicy, but not too spicy. And I used up some of the fondue meat and some of the wontons and some beef balls and used ramen noodles. And I'll show you what's left of that. So this is after feeding 5 people because we had one of my daughter's friends over. And see, there's still lots of food. So I'm going to portion that out and put that in the fridge for lunch probably tomorrow. So this pot, we've ate about half of it. And then I am making a turkey that I have defrosting in the garage because it's now above 0, so it's starting to frost. So I'm cooking that up for supper. And with that, I'm going to make some boxed stuffing, cranberry sauce, and instant mashed potatoes. Unless I get adventurous and go and start peeling potatoes. But I doubt that. Because I've got lots of that in my cupboards. So I know behind here we have some cranberry sauce and, well, actually cranberry sauce is up here behind the beets. And we'll have probably, maybe do that can of beets. And mashed potatoes. I have instant mashed potatoes back here and some stuffing that I bought actually after Thanksgiving this year. It was on for like 50-70 cents. Tomorrow, see, these are the soup mixes I want to use. So here's a Thai chicken rice. So with that turkey, I'm going to have leftover chicken or leftover turkey. So I'm hoping to make something like this with some of the leftovers, because all you need is this mix, some chicken breast, well, we'll use some mushrooms as well, coconut milk, lime juice, so, and broth. So, I mean, I have all those things. That turkey is going to make a wonderful broth. So I have, this is what I was talking about, some of the things I wanted to use up. I have that one. I actually have 2 of them. So that might be the soup for tomorrow or next day. And I have spicy chicken tortilla. So these are some uses for the leftover turkey that I will have.